All right, the next store we're going to look at, Useful Print Finds, Sacramento, California, 2000 sales. Reese, what's up, Reese? How's it going? One item. Ooh, this is exciting. I never recommend one item on an Etsy store. You need like 20 if you're doing it right. But it hasn't hurt the problem at all unless he's like reduced his store. But let's see what this is. I don't even know what this is. What is this? Fence Buddy. What does this do? Updated. Hang your bags, bottles, towels, and more. The strong front hook can handle heavy bags, sports gears. What is this? How does this work? Is this like a tailgating thing? Really good design. Oh! Oh, this is brilliant. Oh, this is great. Oh, good work, dude. Like this is a really good idea. Oh, what a great accessory. It's an accessory for a fence, so you can hang your backpack and water bottles and stuff on it. Such a simple design. These are the kinds of things you want. The engineering of it is really good. Like you have a really strong, nice, reliable spot, fills into the slot. This hook has been reinforced so you don't have a stress concentration in the corner. The product photography is good. I would like more product photos like this, like getting in close to it on those backpacks and that kind of thing, rather than like, these are great for color reference, of course, but more of these and a demo video. If you did a demo video, you'd have so many sales of these pop off. This would be great. For this type of an item, though, too, since it requires demonstration, you really, really need to be able to market it, share it in a Facebook group, whatever it happens to be. But this is a great. I hope all of your sales have come from this product. I really do. Oh, it's not. You've got other items around here that just aren't available anymore. But most of them are from the sale of this item. Oh, this is great. Is free shipping free? Free shipping. Okay. So basically the shipping of this is going to be like $3 to $4. So he's getting paid $5. It's $9 for this. For something like this, I would generally, if you were going to, here's the thing. This type of item is like perfect for print on demand. You could plug in the Etsy plugin here. 1 minute later, you have it matched up so that anytime an order for these comes out, we could print it and ship it. Slant 3D could print it and ship it for you. And then this is just a passive income store, because like, what questions do you need to ask? They're all answered in this thing. Nobody's going to be like, oh, can I get it in whatever else it was? It's like all the colors are there. There aren't options to it other than that. Orange is sold out. You don't have to worry about that then if you use the plugin, because inventory won't disappear. But oh, what a great item. This but yeah, this could be really, really passive, which would be sick because it's a nice little gadget. Oh, what a great idea. I'm really excited about this because this is just elegantly beautiful. Good logoing on it and all the rest of it. And most of these sales are from this one single item. It's not super profitable because if you were doing this print on demand, you'd have like, yeah, $3 or $4 of shipping, and then it'd probably be about $3 minimum. It is $3 minimum to print the thing. So you'd want to do like a set of 5, and then people pay like $25 for the set of 5. The cost to produce like that set of 5 would be probably less than 10, and then $5 for shipping again. So now you're profiting $10 on a sale, and people would buy these in sets of 5. You have a quantity selector here, but just automatically make it a set of 5, and that would improve your overall margin and your overall gross sales. Because if people want one, they want more. Nobody wants to buy one of these and pay $9 to just hang one of these. So you'd want a batch of them. This is a really, really good product. Oh, great work, man. Like this, congratulations. This is one of those products that you like to see. Reese Freeman, good work.